Hello, namaste, welcome to Pau Secrets. I am Pau, this is my channel, and I'm very happy that you're doing this video with me today. Welcome to the body toning series. Today we're gonna focus on the vital organs. We're going to activate the body. So if you're ready, let's start. But first, remember to subscribe to my channel, and please give me a like to this video. That helps me a lot and I appreciate it very much. So let's begin. Come to the front of your mat and have your feet rooting down, separate your toes, have a good base, take a deep breath in and stretch your arms up to the sky. When you exhale, we go to Uttanasana, bringing the hands behind the legs and trying to bring the chest closer to the legs, activating the back of the legs. Then bring your hands down. Walk your feet back into downward facing dog. So the first down dog, beautiful position to stretch the back, to stretch the spine. If your heels cannot touch the earth, bend one knee at a time, awakening the hamstrings, pushing the back of the heart towards the earth so you get a nice stretch on your spine to prepare the shoulders and the back. Deep breath in, deep breath out, now look forward and walk your feet to the front. Uttanasana again, chest closer to the legs, and then inhale and bring your arms up to the sky and hands to the heart. We're gonna bend the knees for Utkatasana. So bend the knees, bring your arms up to the sky. Have a lot of energy on your fingers, but relax your shoulders, relax the shoulder blades, engage your core, and stay here breathing. And now we're gonna add some movement. You're gonna step on your left foot and bring the right knee up, and then exhale Utkatasana. Inhale, left knee up to the sky. Exhale Utkatasana. So you see I'm also moving my arms, knee up and exhale, knee up and exhale. Now we're gonna do it in double time. Down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Warming up the legs. 2 more times each leg. Last round. And beautiful. We stay here, pulsing, pulsing, belly in, and exhale. Bring your hands down. Uttanasana. And now walk your feet back into downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Bring the right leg up to the sky. You can always bend the knee to stretch, to open the hip, and bring the right foot forward in between the hands. The left knee comes down. You're gonna rise, push the hip forward and down, and bring the opposite elbow, in this case the left elbow, outside the knee. Hook the elbow there, bring your hands together, and try to bring the hands to the heart. So we start with the first twist, activating the internal organs, twisting, looking up to the sky, and you continue breathing in, breathing out. You never hold your breath. Every exhale is the opportunity to twist a little deeper. And exhale, relax the hands down. Let's stretch this leg. Toes point up to the sky. Deep breath in. And exhale, guiding. The chest is guiding the movement. Make sure the knees pressing down. Hips are over the back knee. Wonderful. Bring that knee back. And rest in Anahata, chest and chin down. Then back to downward facing dog. Left leg now, up to the sky, bend the knee, open your hip. Bring the foot forward in between your hands. Right knee comes down, rise and hook the right elbow outside the left knee. Hands come together, top hands pushing to have the twist, starting to move the belly out. Squeeze in the internal organs and keep breathing. Feel the twist. And bring the hands down. Stretch the left leg. The toes point up. Look forward first. And exhale. Now look forward. Step the left foot. Bring the right foot forward. Exhale, chest to the legs. Bend your knees. And it's Utkatasana again. Stretch the legs, hands to the heart, and we continue the flow. Inhale, bend the knees. Utkatasana. When you inhale, you open your arms. Bring your hands to your heart. I'm gonna show it in front of the camera. You bring your hands to your heart and you start twisting. You can use the other hand to move your knees away, hook the elbow outside the knee. And again, your hands trying to come to the heart. The belly. Inhaling every exhale, there's opportunity to go a little deeper. And relax the hands down. Let's do the other side. Bend the knees, hook the elbow. Breathing in, breathing out. And relax the hands down. Give a break to your legs. Bring the hands behind the legs, chest closer to the legs. Hands down. Walk your feet back into downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Right leg up to the sky. You bend the knee, open your hip. And bring the foot forward in between the hands. Now the back heel stays off the mat. And we rise with the strong legs into crescent pose. Now, next exhale, you open to the right. So we're twisting. It's like a warrior. Ahora me confundí. Wait, go again. So from crescent pose, you. From crescent pose, you open to the right, so you see I have like warrior two arms, and again we're gonna twist. So we bring the left arm or the left elbow outside the knee. I also like to touch the floor with a hand. I use the other hand to really move, to bring the belly out, and then the right hand points up to the sky. And it's important that you're able to breathe, so you're breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Inhale, back to crescent, and bring the hands down into downward facing dog. Let's do the left side. Left leg opens. Exhale, left foot forward. Prepare, strong legs. Inhale, rising. Hay mucho viento, ¿eh? Me tira el viento. Ok, es que ando así, pero es que hay mucho viento. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, open to the left. Warrior two arms to the left. Let's do it. The right hand or the right arm hooks outside the leg. Use the other hand to help your body, to help your torso. Go through. And the left hand points up to the sky. Strong back leg. Every exhale, you're twisting a little more. Remember that you can always bring your hands to your heart if you prefer that. And release. Back to crescent. Hands down. Move the foot back. Bring your knees down. And rest in child pose. Back to downward facing dog. Walk your feet to the front. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. And stretch your legs, hands to the heart. So I hope you like this flow. You can repeat this series 2 more times. And don't forget to watch the other videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like to this video and continue doing yoga with me. I am Pau, and thank you so much for sharing this practice with me.